Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. How you can fix TikTok could not upload video issue on your TikTok account. I'm going to be showing you different methods on how you can fix it. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. If you're unable to upload a video on your TikTok account, then the first reason might be your internet connection. So make sure to check whether you have a stable internet connection or not. In order to check, you need to head over to your settings application, and then on the search bar type in network and internet. So once you do this, you'll be able to see whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. For example, if you're on your Wi-Fi, then you can switch it over to your mobile data for sometimes. And similarly, if you're on your mobile data, then you can switch over to your Wi-Fi network. Once you've done this, you might be able to fix it. If this does not seem to be helping, then the other thing what you can do is you can long press on your TikTok application and then head over to your app info page. Once you do this, go to permission first of all and make sure that all of these features are enabled. And after that, once you've enabled all of these features, go to storage and cache under it and click on clear cache as well as clear storage. Now if you click on clear storage, this is going to log you out of your account, so make sure that you know your login credential, only then click on clear storage. So once you've done this, you need to click on OK, and after that, it might take some time. You need to log in into your account once again. After doing all of these methods, you might be able to fix it. Despite of doing all of these methods, if you're still unable to fix it, then other thing you can check for the update. If you haven't updated your application for a while, then it might be one of the issues. So you need to head over to your Play Store and then on the search bar, type in TikTok. After that, you'll be taken to the TikTok page where you'll be able to see all the information. In case of open, if you have update, which means that the update is available and you'll need to update the application. After updating your application, you might be able to fix it. So after doing all of these procedures, if you're still unable to fix it, and then head over to your profile page and click on this try bar icon in the top right. Once you do this, go to settings and privacy. Now under settings and privacy, there are multiple options or sections. Scroll down and go to the section that is report a problem. Head over to the section that is support and about and click on report a problem. Once you do this, you'll be taken to the help center. Now once again on this interface, select the topic. So for that, you need to go to the topic section and click on account and profile. After that, you'll be taken to this page. Click on edit profile in the bottom right corner and then click on others from the list after that. And once you do this, you'll be able to see list of articles. Now right at the bottom, tap on no and then click on need more help. Once you do this, now you'll need to submit a report stating that you're unable to upload a video on your TikTok account, and then you can submit a report. And if you have any image or videos, you can upload that as well for the evidence. And after that, they'll look into your matter within 24 hours. So those were the method on how you can fix TikTok unable to upload video issue on your TikTok account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if it did really help you, then make sure to comment down below.